Hare Krishna. Srimati Radharani was such an extraordinary personality that nobody would ever get angry with her. In fact, Durvasa Muni, who's known for his short temperedness, he was so pleased with the humility, with the fine service attitude of Srimati Radharani, like as a part of the Leela, that he gave her a blessing. That whatever she would cook would be extraordinarily tasty, and whatever she would cook, she would not repeat it again. Like she can cook so many items. So that was the benediction which was given to Srimati Radharani. When Mother Yashoda heard that this girl has been given this benediction, Mother Yashoda's life and soul was Krishna, and she wanted to serve Krishna in the best possible manner. So she requested Srimati Radharani, why don't you cook for my son every day? So Yashoda Maya, she would keep the kitchen ready, everything, all the assistants, the ingredients, everything, and Srimati Radharani would personally do the cooking. So one day, Mother Yashoda thought that this girl is fit to be my son's bride. And with that thought in her mind, what she did is she applied some turmeric on Srimati Radharani's palms. Now in Hindi they say haath peele hona. So it is like that ki if you apply turmeric, which means that that she is accepting her as the daughter-in-law. So Srimati Radharani was astonished and she was taken aback and she said, "Oh mother, what have you done?" So Yashoda told that you can show this to your parents and they'll be very happy, because if you can get married to my son, they'll be very, very happy. So Radharani said, I'm too young, and she was very shy. So she ran from the kitchen, and nearby there was a pokhar, there was a pond. So she reached that pond to wash her hands. Now this pond, the color of the water was deep blue. Small pond, deep blue water. Radharani started washing her hands and she sees this blue color. What does blue color reminds somebody like Radharani? Not us, but Radharani was immediately reminded of Krishna. So she started thinking of Krishna and she was rubbing and rubbing and rubbing her hand, and so much so that the color of the water changed and the color of Srimati Radharani goes there. So Radharani is golden and she was washing the turmeric, which was yellow. So the whole pond became yellow or pila. And since that day, we call that place as Pili Pokhar. So Pokhar is pond and Pila is yellow. Also on the bank of this Pili Pokhar pond, there were certain Pilu trees. So this is also described that at times Shri Radha Krishna, the divine couple, they would sit there and relish these Pilu fruits. So this is Pili Pokhar in Barsana. Hare Krishna.